If your clothes are wrinkled, but you don't have an iron, don't worry. There are several alternatives you can try to get your clothing looking tidy and wrinkle-free. One simple method is to toss the wrinkled item into the dryer with a couple of ice cubes. Set the dryer on medium heat and tumble the garment for 15 minutes. The ice will melt and turn into steam in the dryer, which will help relax any wrinkles. When the drying cycle is done, hang up your clothes or put them on right away to prevent them from getting wrinkled again. Another option is to hang up the wrinkled item on the curtain rod in your shower. Turn on the shower, making sure the water is nice and hot so the room gets steamy. Close the doors and windows so plenty of steam builds up in your bathroom. And position your clothing so it's as close to the hot water as possible without actually getting wet. Let the shower run for about 15 minutes so the steam has time to work its magic. If steaming your wrinkly clothes isn't an option, try wrinkle removing spray. Hang your item up or lay it out flat. Spray on the wrinkle remover until the garment is damp, but not soaking wet. Gently pull the cloth taut while you work to help flatten out the wrinkles. Then, hang the item up somewhere to dry. Let it dry completely before you wear it. Can't find wrinkle remover in the store? Make your own by mixing 1 cup, 237 milliliters of water with 1 tablespoon, 15 milliliters of fabric softener in a spray bottle. Shake the mixture up thoroughly before spritzing it on your garment. In a pinch, you can also create a makeshift iron using household items. For example, bring water to a boil in a pot, then dump the water out. While the pot is still hot, carefully drag the flat bottom over your garment to smooth out the wrinkles, just like you would with an iron. You can also try using a flat iron designed for straightening hair. Just make sure the iron is free of hair products and other residues first, so you don't stain your clothes. With either of these methods, be careful that you don't burn yourself or your clothes. Always put your garments on a flat surface, such as a table or ironing board, before ironing them.